We have carrots, potatoes, cabbage, tomatoes, and onion.
Concase cut, roughly chopped. A concase cut involves peeling, deseeding, and chopping a tomato. Chop or chopping, cut into irregularly shaped pieces. A chop is simply when meat is cut into squares, usually about a half an inch thick. Mincer, chopping into very fine pieces. Cut up or grind or food, especially meat, into very small pieces, typically in a machine with revolving blades. Sheared, cutting into very thin strips. Example, shredding cabbage. Large dice, dimension 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch. The large dice is ideal for foods like hearty stews, soups, or roasted root vegetables. The cut measures 3/4 inches on all sides. Julienne cut or double match stick, dimension 1/8 inch by 1/4 inch by 2 inch. A preparation or garnish of food that has been cut into thin strips. Small dice or square batoon, dimension 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. The small dice is the kind of cut you want when making a mirepoix or that mixture you saute that includes carrots, onions, and celery. Medium dice, dimension 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. The medium dice is the perfect cut for soups, ratatouille, or shakshuka. The cut measures 1/2 inches on each side. Bassinet cut or French fry cut. Dimension 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch by 2 inch. In French, bâtonnet means little stick.